Want to become a certified AWS AI practitioner and master the future of machine learning in the cloud? Whether you are a data enthusiast, cloud learner, or aspiring machine learning engineer, this course is your launchpad. I'm Amit. I have over 50 cloud certifications across AWS, Microsoft, and Oracle Cloud. I have designed this course to be the most hands-on, exam-focused AI practitioner experience built for real-world projects and certification mastery. You will work through practical labs and enterprise-grade scenarios using SageMaker, Recognition, Comprehend, Lex, and more, covering core machine learning concepts, responsible AI, and practice tests. Let's turn your AI skills into certification and your certification into a career-defining momentum. I'll see you in the course.